You unlock your phone, it recognizes your face instantly. You open Netflix, it already knows what you want to watch. Google Maps suddenly changes your route because it knows there is traffic ahead. So here's a question. Are all this artificial intelligence? Or some of this is machine learning? Or some of them is deep learning? Most people use this term as if they mean the same thing. In the next few minutes, I will explain the differences so that you will never mix up these things again. Why do we even need these concepts? Let us start with a simple question. Why did we build AI in the first place? Imagine you are running an online store. Every day, thousands of customers visit your website. Some buy, some leave. How do you decide who is most likely to make a purchase? You cannot manually analyze every customer's behavior. Now imagine a hospital. Hundreds of X-rays arrive every day. Doctors are experts, but reviewing every image takes time. What if a computer could quickly highlight the scans that look suspicious? All these problems have one thing in common. There is too much data, too many decisions, and too little time. That is where artificial intelligence comes in. But here is the catch. Not every problem can be solved by giving a computer a fixed set of instructions. Sometimes the computer has to learn from experience. That is machine learning. And when the data becomes far more complex, like understanding speech, recognizing faces, or generating images, we need an even more powerful approach. That is deep learning. Now let us understand each one step at a time. Let us start with artificial intelligence. The goal of artificial intelligence is simple: to make machines perform tasks that require human intelligence. Let us take a simple example. Imagine a robo vacuum cleaner. It moves around your house. It avoids walls. It changes direction when it finds an obstacle. And it cleans the floor without you guiding it. It appears intelligent because it makes decisions based on what it senses. But here is something interesting. It does not necessarily have to learn. It can follow a set of programmed instructions or learn from data or do both. Let us understand machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. Instead of writing every rule, we give the computer lots of data. It learns from the patterns. Think about a child learning to identify an apple. You don't give the child a long list of rules like it is usually round, it can be red, green, or yellow, it has a stem. Instead, you simply show the child lots of apples. After seeing enough examples, the child can recognize a new apple, even a one they have never seen before. Machine learning works in a similar way. More data, better learning, better predictions. Now let's talk about deep learning. Deep learning is a special type of machine learning. It uses something known as artificial neural networks. Don't let the name scare you. Artificial neural networks is like a team of tiny detectives. Each detective finds a clue and together they solve the entire puzzle. Here is a simple way to think about it. Imagine a child learning to recognize a dog. At first, the child notices the ears, then the eyes, then the tail, then the shape of the body. Finally, the brain combines all these small observations and says, "That's a dog." An artificial neural network works in a similar way. Instead of looking at the whole picture at once, it learns many small patterns, edges, shapes, textures, colors, and combines them layer by layer to recognize what it's seeing. That is why deep learning is so powerful. It can recognize faces, understand speech, translate languages, or even generate images and text. So let's summarize everything in 3 points. Number 1, artificial intelligence is the broad goal. The goal is to make machines behave intelligently. Number 2, machine learning is one way to achieve artificial intelligence. The machine learns from data instead of fixed rules. Number 3, deep learning is an advanced form of machine learning. It uses neural networks to solve very complex problems like language, images, and speech. So remember this, deep learning is a subset of machine learning, and machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. Here is this week's small Byte book pick. If you want a beginner-friendly book that explains these ideas without drowning you in mathematics, I highly recommend Artificial Intelligence, A Guide for Thinking Humans by Melanie Michel. It explains what AI can do, what it cannot do, and why machine learning and deep learning became so important. I have added the link in the description below. It's one of the best books to build a solid AI foundation. So before we wrap up, let me quickly introduce myself. Hi, I'm Umesh Nadkarni. I'm a tech entrepreneur, AI explorer, and builder who loves breaking down complex ideas into simple, practical insights. Through this channel, AI in Small Bytes, my goal is simple: to help founders, professionals, and builders understand big AI concepts in small, easy bites. In our next video, we'll explore another fascinating AI concept in a simple and practical way. In the meantime, have a great one.